Master Builders Association building or MBA contracts are the most widely used building contracts in New South Wales. They're comprehensive and thorough, which is great, but that also means they're complex. If you don't understand the terms before you sign, you could be agreeing to clauses that don't protect your interests. For homeowners, an MBA contract covers everything from payment schedules to dispute resolution. Understanding how these clauses work together is crucial to avoiding costly problems during your renovation or build. The details matter. Things like variation procedures, defects liability, and your warranty protections can make or break your project experience. Our comprehensive guide breaks down the key MBA contracts used in New South Wales. We explain the critical differences between them and what you need to watch for to protect yourself. Before you sign, get your contract reviewed by our specialist construction lawyers. We'll identify the risks and unfair terms in plain English. Contact John Dela Cruz at Contract Specialist today to get a fixed fee quote.